if you're experiencing approval delays on Zelle, there are several steps you can take to resolve the issue quickly. Follow these steps to help expedite the approval process. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause delays in transaction approvals. Try switching to a different network if possible. Step 2. Verify recipient information. Double-check the recipient's email address or phone number. If the information is incorrect, the transaction may be delayed or fail. Make sure all details are accurate before sending the payment. Step 3. Review transaction limits. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SRC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Update your Zelle app. Ensure that you are using the latest version of the Zelle app. Outdated apps may have bugs or issues that can cause delays. Update the app through your device's app store. Step 5. Contact your bank's customer support. If the issue persists, reach out to your bank's customer support for assistance. They can provide specific information about your account and help resolve any underlying issues causing the delays. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve approval delays on Zelle quickly. If problems continue, regular communication with your bank can help ensure a smoother experience in the future.